Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. And today my dad is cooking some barbecue grill. So I'm gonna go show you guys some of the food he cooked. And we're outside in the backyard still.
That was messy.
So yeah.
And
there's my dad.
How you doing, guys?
And then that's the
Chicken mix.
chicken, yeah. With chorizo.
what is it called?
Chorizo.
But how do you say
So it's still cooking, guys. So yeah. And that's the barbecue he's making. I hope you have a Merry Christmas, guys. And yeah. So that's the food. He makes barbecue sometimes, so it's really good. It's really good. So yeah. And here are the dogs. Wait, I'm gonna go show you guys the dogs. See, he's eating. So yeah, from my dog's bowl. And where is Creamy?
hiding?
He's hiding in there.
Are you hiding? Why is he hiding?
That
He's
is
hiding.
Hiding from the video.
Yeah, shy from the video. Video shy.
Camera.
So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Have an awesome day. And yeah, so give it a thumbs up and peace out. Share the video. And yeah, bye guys.